Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. I'm about to go bonkers. I'm about to basically discuss the ultimate PC build. You cannot purchase this, okay? I'm gonna cover various aspects of the PC. However, before I do that, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. So let's start with the GPU. In my opinion, the top custom GPU for the PC, a custom build, is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. This card basically stands out as the most powerful and feature-rich graphics card available, dominating both gaming, and you know how we got the AI workloads, right? AI, the world is going to AI, right? One of the main reasons why the RTX 5090 is a top choice is because it has unmatched performance. It delivers like the highest gaming frame rates and excels in 4K and even higher resolutions, basically outperforming all competitors in both, rasterization and ray tracing tasks, right? It has a custom advanced architecture. It's built on NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture. It features 21,760 CUDA cores, 170 fourth generation RT, that's the ray tracing cores, and 680 fifth generation tensor cores, making it a powerhouse for both gaming and AI applications. It has huge memory too, right? It has the 32 gigabytes of ultra fast GDDR R7 memory and a 512-bit memory interface that basically offers exceptional bandwidth and headroom for demanding workloads, including generative AI and content creation. It supports DLSS 4.0 with multi-frame generation, advanced AI-driven texture compression, and PCIe 5.0 for maximum future proofing. It has industry-leading ray tracing and AI, right? Its ray tracing and AI performance, they're unrivaled, right? It's a go-to card for enthusiasts and professionals basically seeking the best visual, fidelity and compute accelerations. Now, in this video, I'm gonna cover it, but be prepared to unleash those pockets, right? Because you want the best, but the best costs a little bit, So the RTX 5090 is expensive. It's basically around $2,000 and power hungry, right? It has 575 WD GP, right? TGP. So it requires a high-end system to avoid CPU bottlenecks and ensure stable operation. There is some heat problems with this as well. Some users, they basically have reported heat issues. So you're gonna need robust cooling solutions in regards to this. Now, that's the GPU. Let's get into the CPU, right? In my opinion, the top custom CPU is the AMD Ryzen 9, right? That's the 9950X 3D. So this basically, it stands out, right, as a processor because it has a huge advantage, in my opinion, when it comes to gaming performance, right? It features the AMD 3D V-Cache technology, basically recognizing as the fastest gaming CPU available, delivering up to 37% better performance than Intel's flagship Core Ultra 9 285K in 1080p gaming, and 26% faster than the previous Intel gaming leader, the Core i9 14900K. It has a high core and thread count, so the 16 cores and 32 threads, it excels, right? Not only in gaming only, but also in demanding productivity tasks like, 3D modeling, video editing, and heavy multitasking. Because, we're going to be using that thing for a lot of reasons, right? A lot of reasons. It's also versatile, unlike, many of the other X3D chips that sometimes sacrificed, they didn't really want gaming as much as productivity, so they sacrificed it, right? They wanted more productivity. The 9950X3D matches the non-X3D Ryzen 9 9950X in both single and multi-threaded workloads, making it it's an all-around powerhouse for both creators and gamers. The future proofing is another aspect of it, right? The compatibility with the PCIe 5.0 and large cache, that's 144 MB total, ensure it will remain relevant for the coming years, right? Especially if you pair it with the top-tier GPUs like the RTX 5090. So while the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is also a top performer for just gaming, the 9950X3D's higher core count makes it superior, right? For people who want both the best in gaming and productivity, right? We don't only want to use the PC for gaming, or do we? Or if they just want to maximize the longevity of their build. So for users who want extreme multi-core performance for workstation tasks like, massive data analysis or scientific computing, the AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro, that's the 5995WX, which basically has 64 cores, is technically the most powerful, but it's basically overkill for most custom PC builds. And it's basically not recommended if you only want to use it for gaming purposes. Now, the PSU we have is the NZXT C1500, right? The Platinum PSU is basically considered one of the best high wattage power supplies available due to a combination of advanced features, right? It has exceptional performance and feature-proof design. Now, it has the industry-leading efficiency and power delivery. It's 94% plus efficiency that basically exceeds the 80 plus Platinum standards. It basically, what this thing basically means is it's less wasted energy, power electricity bills, and reduced heat output. Okay, so it's digitally controlled, right? The power enables highly precise voltage regulation, resulting in extremely low voltage ripple and stable power delivery, crucial for protecting sensitive high-end components. Basically the hardware is next generation, right? It has support out of this world. The ATX 3.1 and the PCIe 5.1 compliance ensures full compatibility with the latest and upcoming basically the CPUs and GPUs, including support for basically the demanding 12V to X6 connectors, two included, basically each delivering over 600W for modern graphics cards. It's basically ready, right? It comes ready for multi-GPU setups and high-powered workstations, right? Making it ideal for extreme gaming, whether it's AI systems as well, and professional workloads. It has very cool cooling and noise control. It has 140 mm Sunon maglev fan with magnetic levitation technology that provides high airflow, low noise, and long lifespan. There's 0 RPM fan mode that keeps the PSU silent under most loads, right? The fan remains off until 900W, making it nearly inaudible during typical use. It has certified for ultra low noise, like the Cybernetics A noise rating, and maintains low internal temperatures, even under heavy loads. There's the build quality and reliability, so it has high quality 105 degrees Celsius Japanese capacitors that basically ensure long-term durability and stable operation. It has a fully modular design that simplifies cable management and improves airflow by allowing you to use only the cables you need. There's a 10-year warranty that demonstrates, NZXT's confidence, right? They'd say, hey, we're gonna get y'all with this 10-year though. We got y'all with this 10-year though, and I dare y'all to break it. We're gonna repay you. And basically, they're confident, right, in the product's longevity and the reliability. Now, there is real-world performance of this product as well. There's exceptional voltage ripple control and stability, even under maximum load, with no coil whine or excessive fan noise. That's basically reported in reviews. It has a high, maintenance when it comes to efficiency and low noise, even in very hot temperatures, right? Up to 50 degrees Celsius ambient, making it suitable for demanding builds and overclocking. Its value in just its class alone, its competitive pricing for a 1500W fully digital platinum rated PSU, often beating rivals like the Corsair H1500i in performance and price. Okay, now that's that. Let's get into RAM. Speaking of Corsair, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 6400 megahertz. Is considered, in my opinion, one of the best RAM options for high-end PC builds due to a combination of the performance, stability, aesthetic features, and advanced customization. Now, you have the ultra-high speed and low latency, right? It basically operates on a 6400 MHz megahertz with low latency timing, such as the CL32404084. This RAM, basically, it delivers really good data throughout and responsiveness, right? The throughput of the data and the responsiveness are unmatched. So this is particularly beneficial for, basically demanding tasks like the high frame rate gaming, 4K video editing, and the multitasking where every millisecond counts. There's advanced overclocking support, so the modules are optimized for the latest DDR5 motherboards and support both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles. That allows for easy, stable one-click overclocking. Now, The onboard voltage regulation enables fine-tuned performance adjustments without sacrificing stability. There's also a premium build quality, so Corsair uses, basically tightly screened high-frequency memory chips and a custom performance PCB to ensure maximum signal quality, performance, and long-term stability, even at high speeds. The dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, right? There's each module that features 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs, allowing for vivid, customizable lighting effects through Corsair's ICUE software. So this is not basically only enhances the look of your system, but also offers real-time frequency monitoring and profile management. It's reliable and has a strong brand reputation. Corsair is basically a trusted name, right, in PC memory, known for consistently quality and customer support. The Vengeance series in particular is recognized for blending top-tier performance with reliability. There's future-proofing. I'm gonna give you guys things that are future-proof, right? The DDR5 technology offers higher bandwidth and greater capacity potential than the DDR4. That makes it a smarter investment for users basically looking to maximize system longevity and performance. Now, we have the SSD. So, I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I'm gonna hit you with it. The Sabrent Rocket 5 is regarded as one of the best custom SSDs, right? Because of its exceptional speed, advanced features, and future-proof design. Yeah. I better not get tired of that either. Future-proof and fast. Now, it has the blazing fast PCIe 5.0 performance. The Rocket 5 delivers sequential transfer speeds of up to 14 GB per second, which is among the highest available for consumer SSDs. Basically, this makes it ideal for both gaming and content creation, dramatically reducing the load times. We know that how a pain that can be, and improving overall system responsiveness. The direct storage optimization is a factor. It's basically optimized for Microsoft's direct storage API, which is crucial for next-gen gaming. So this allows games to load assets directly from the SSD to the GPU with minimal CPU intervention, basically resulting in faster level loads and smoother gameplay in supported titles. It has the write performance is great as well. The reviews of this product highlight its outstanding sustained write speeds, which is basically, you can say particularly beneficial for large game installations, updates, and high-end applications. The full capacity range and customization of this product is available in a range of capacities, right, including up to 4 TB, and can be purchased either with or without a custom heatsink. So this flexibility allows users to tailor their setup based on their cooling needs and the motherboard compatibility. Yeah, and it does have future proofing, right? It's fully compatible with the latest Intel and AMD platforms supporting PCIe 5.0, and it can also be used in PlayStation 5 consoles with Sabrent's custom heatsink. Yeah, PSU, P5, PC, everything, right? It has a refined user experience. Sabrent provides additional tools like the Rocket Control Panel for firmware updates and free cloning software, basically enhancing the user experience. Here are some things to consider about this product though. It's not all sweet. The Rocket 5 does have higher power consumption and heat output compared to older Gen 4 drives, so a quality heatsink is recommended for sustained heavy use. And while it's among the fastest, right? It's one of the fastest ones out there. There are reviews that note that competitors like the Crucial T705 and WD Black SN8100 also offer top-tier performance, but the Rocket 5 remains a top contender for, custom gaming builds. Now, that's that. Let's get into the motherboard. The MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk is one of my favorite, is basically the widely regarded as the best custom motherboards for a gaming PC in 2025 because of its exceptional balance of performance, features, and value, right? It has outstanding, performance and power delivery. It's equipped with, a robust 14+2+1 digital power phase, VRM design, and 80A smart power stages, and X870 Tomahawk delivers clean, basically efficient power, making it suitable for high-end CPUs. We're gonna break that bank, including overclocking scenarios with chips like the Ryzen 9 9800 X3D or the 9950 X3D, right? In benchmark tests, when they tested it right, It outperformed even the flagship boards such as the Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero when paired with top-tier Ryzen processors. It has the advanced connectivity and expansion. The PCIe 5.0 support for both graphics and storage ensures basically a future-proof, yeah, you're gonna get tired of that word, compatibility and maximum bandwidth. That is basically up to 128 GB per second. The Gen 5, slash 4 M2 slots and dedicated M2 cooling for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, right? It has impressive rear I/O, basically up to 21 USB ports, including the dual USB, Type-C, multiple USB, 3.0, 3.1, 2.0 ports. It has HDMI and BIOS flashback support. It has next-gen networking, whether it's the Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN providing, cutting-edge wireless and wired networking, which is ideal for gaming and streaming in high-traffic environments. It has a great superior thermal management. So it has features like the Frozer Guard thermal solution, extended heat sinks, and high-quality thermal pads, basically ensuring that the board stays cool even under heavy gaming or productivity loads. The DDR5 memory support is another factor for this thing, right? You have the full support of the DDR5 RAM that's up to 256 GB, along with the MSI's memory boost technology and specialized SMT welding for top-tier memory performance and stability. It has, a DIY-friendly customization aspect of it. It's designed with basically clear documentation, well-labeled connectors, and robust build quality, basically making it easier for you, right? You're a beginner, you're a novice. Just kidding, and experienced builders. The MSI Mystic Lite and the MSI Center allow for extensive RGB and system customization. It has value for the money, right? Despite its high-end feature set, the X870 Tomahawk is priced competitively around $300, basically offering flagship level performance and connectivity at a mid-range price point. Now, it's not all sweet. There are potential drawbacks, right? There are some minor compromises, very little, in the secondary PCIe and M2 slot configurations to accommodate the extensive rear I/O. So a few users have reported, in their reviews, BIOS-related issues, though these appear to be relatively isolated and may be, addressed in the future. Now, the camera, again, my opinion, the Razer Kaio Pro Ultra is one of the best. It stands out for many reasons. It stands out compared to the other webcams. It has, it even challenges the entry-level DSLR and mirrorless cameras for streaming and content creation. It has the largest sensor ever in a webcam, okay? The Kaio Pro Ultra features a massive 1 by 1.2 inch Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the largest ever put in a webcam, allowing it to capture significantly more light than competitors. So this results in very good image clarity, sharpness, and color accuracy, especially in low light gaming setups. The DSLR-like image quality, right? Because of its large sensor and ultra-wide f, by 1.7 aperture lens, the Kaio Pro Ultra delivers DSLR level detail and clarity, right? It produces a natural optical background blur without relying on artificial software effects, giving streams a professional look. It has 4K resolution and high frame rates. The camera can stream in 4K up to 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 60 frames per second, providing ultra sharp video for high-end gaming streams and content creation. So the high frame rates also enable smooth motion and even slow motion effects for creative content. It has very superior technology when it comes to low light performance. Because of its large sensor and low aperture lens, the Kaio Pro Ultra excels in dimly lit environments, which is common when it comes to gaming rooms. This basically makes sure you look clear and vibrant without needing extra lighting equipment. There's the autofocus and AI feature aspect of it. The camera uses AI-powered facial tracking, autofocus, and auto exposure, keeping you in sharp focus even if you move during intense gaming sessions. This is especially beneficial for streamers who are animated or frequently, shifting positions. That is what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you appreciate this video and you like more videos like this, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also, hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you on the next video.